Namaste everyone. Welcome to Project Gita's Gita Sadhana. Mantra can help our mind focused on something without getting involved in that something, yet prevent the mind from wandering away from it. Sanskrit language is different from all other languages as it was designed for the human vocal apparatus. Specific parts of the body is vibrated or activated when a Sanskrit letter is uttered. We learn that Omkara or the sound Om encompasses all sounds in the universe. As it starts with Akara, the A sound in the diaphragm area, and ends in Ma sound near the lips. Om is a sound, but Om is also a word with a meaning. Avati Rakshati iti Om, meaning that which protects the person by giving existence is called Om. The Mandukya Upanishad provides a symbolism for Om. Om is broken up as four parts: Akara, the A sound; Ukara, the U sound; Makara, the Ma sound, and then a silence at the end. The symbolism is that A represents the waking state, U represents the dream state, and Ma represents the sleep state. And silence represents the consciousness. Om represents all our experiences. That consciousness by which the waking, dream, and sleep states are known is Brahman. Hence, Om is Brahman. For today's sadhana, we are interested in the vibrations of the sound Om. We will experience the vibrations of three sounds, A, U, and Ma, separate. In Sanskrit grammar, when A and U are combined, it becomes the sound O. Hence, the combined sound is Om. The sound A creates the vibrations in the abdominal region, U creates the vibration in the chest region, and Ma, the humming bee sound, creates the vibrations in the head region. For the sadhana, please chant the three sounds as well as Om 7 times. Please sit straight and comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Next is affirmation. Please take permission of the mind to keep the next few minutes dedicated for sadhana and to set all our problems aside. Mentally scan your body from toes to head. Release any tension and relax your body completely. Relax your toes, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, pelvic area, abdomen, chest region, lower back, upper back, shoulders, arms, and palms of each hand, neck, lips, mouth, nostrils, eyes, forehead, back of your head, and finally relax the crown of your head. Now take a deep breath and while exhaling, say Ah. Then the next exhalation, say Oo. Then and finally Om. Take a deep breath. Inhale. 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 Enjoy the vibrations throughout your body. Namaste.